Hello, in this tutorial we're going to go over how to add pictures to the posts that you add, how to quote people, and how to comment on other posts. So for this one we're going to go into off topic, and let's just do general off topic. And then so we're going to do a test thread. But before we do that, I want to point this thread out right here. It's called official new features thread. What basically this is, it shows all the new features that have been added to the forum, such as things such as the new quoting system, hashtags and other things like that that are supported. And so if you click there, that's basically what you'll get is the kind of the new updates to the forum. And so now let's get into creating a new thread. So let's say you want to create a new thread, and you title it, let's title this one test. Okay, and then we'll type in a message, and then we'll hit enter, whatever. And then, so say you want to add a picture. What you want to do is, you can't add a picture directly to the forum. It can't support big image files or anything like that. So you have to go in through an image host. And the two I suggest, Post Image is a really easy one to use because you just browse and then you hit upload it. But the photos I have are more high quality, and so they take up more space. And Post Image, I think, only goes up to 5 megabytes, and so anything above that you can't upload. So, but Imgur, which is a different website, I'm pretty sure there's no size limit on the files you can upload. And so now we're going to upload an image just to show how to do it, and we'll just pick this one off the desktop. And so you go through the basic upload thing on their website. And then so it's going to upload the picture, and now it's uploaded it, you get this picture. Now what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go here to more, and actually no, you're going to want to pick your size. I suggest a large thumbnail because the original one is way too big. And so what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go here, and you see where it says BB code, message board, and forums. This is a forum, so you're going to highlight this, and you're going to copy it to your clipboard. Then you're going to go back over here, and you're going to just paste the image in there. And so when you do that, it looks like it's just going to be text right now, but when you do it, it automatically embeds the image, and you're ready to go. So we'll create the thread, and see, the picture pops right up because it's being hosted by another website. And so from here, what you're going to want to do, let's say you want to comment on what somebody else has to say. Right here you can do quick reply, add image to post. That's a new feature I added, I'm pretty sure. The word count, that tells you how many words you have. It's not really necessary, but it's just another cool little feature thing. And so a quick reply, you just type whatever you want to, and you post a quick reply. And then next thing that you can do, we'll go over the other features. You hit this reply to go to the more advanced version, and really that, you can change the font size, the color, anything you want. It's really easy to use. But this feature right here is draw a picture. Like if you're having a hard time doing symbols or something, and you need it to look good, like x squared or whatever, instead of having the x caret and then a 2, you can do x squared, and I know that looks terrible, but basically you can hit save, and then once you create the post, here, let's try it again. You have to have text. So we'll put more text in there, and it puts in your equation underneath your text. And I mean, I guess it's not really a big deal or anything, but I mean, it's kind of nice to have that just in the situation where you need to have more you need to be able to customize your post a little bit more than what the standard text can allow. And so that's really basically it for general posting. Look forward to future videos. That really covers the basics. At this point, you should really know how to. You should really have a good grasp on how to use the forum. And I don't really think there are any other features I need to cover. I mean, just check the thread with all the new features that have been added, and basically from there it works like any other website would. It's pretty self-explanatory at this point. You can insert code, and the quote system. Okay, that's one thing I forgot to explain. The quote system, what you do, let's say to quote somebody, Let's see here. I don't know if I can cancel this post. Okay, but basically on the quote system, what you do is we posted it in general off topic, and see that's where the thread came up. And when they're green, when this line of text is green, that means it's a post from today. When that post is orange, that means that post is from yesterday, and when it's white, that means it's been posted before that. And so to quote somebody, what you're going to want to do is you hit quote right here, where it says quote, and then from there, all that comes up, and it just looks like a bunch of junk, but that's just how it works. And then you put your reply on there, and you create the post. And then from there, you see it has the quotations, and it says who wrote it, and then it has your message down here. And now, without a picture, it generally looks a little bit nicer, but you kind of get the general idea of how that works. And so that really concludes this video, and just look forward to more. And when more features are added, just go back to that thread. I really hope this will be a useful tool to you guys. I really wish it would have been a more useful tool last year, but I didn't get it implemented until too late in the year. So that's it for today, and I don't know. Bye.